Hello viewers, this is Amjad Sheikh and I'll show you how to classify English verb. So first of all we have verb. A verb can be divided into two main categories. The first one is main verb. The second one is auxiliary verb or helping verb. For example, David is teaching. In this sentence, teaching is main verb. Is an auxiliary verb. A main verb can be subdivided into finite and infinite category. Auxiliary verb can be subdivided into primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So we are starting from primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary verb can be subdivided into three categories or three groups: do, does, did. Do is the head word. B group. Be, is, am, are, was, were, being, been. Have group. Has, had. Now we have modal auxiliary verbs. We have shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, ought to, dare. Similarly, we have here main verb. Its subdivisions are finite verbs and infinite verbs. In the category of finite verb, we have linking verb, intransitive verb, single transitive verb, double transitive verb, complex transitive verb. Now we have infinite verbs. First of all, we have infinitive. Number 2, gerund. Number 3, present participle. Number 4, past participle. This was the flow chart of English verb.